Hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today we're doing top 5 most deadliest animals in the world. It's hard to see me with the lighting in here. So, number 1, the stonefish. He is a fish that looks like stone. If you're ever in the ocean, don't step on him. Okay? Number 2, the poisonous dart frog. He lives in the African, I can't remember, hold on. It doesn't say where he lives, but he does have a poisonous bite, he's poisonous. He could kill 10 humans in a row. So, we're moving on to number 2. Number 3, actually. I'm sorry. How do you say that?
Brazilian wandering spider.
The Brazilian wandering spider. It is very poisonous. It can kill you in one bite, but it takes an hour for it to kill you. So, let's check the next one. An island python. So, this snake is a python, but it's the biggest one they got. And moving on to the pufferfish. The pufferfish shoots you with this it's like adrenaline, but you die if it's not cut proportioned or anything. You can die. So that is how a pufferfish works. And it's completely venomous if you eat it, not proportioned right. So see you in the next top 5 video or vlog. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video. And try to get 50 likes. And peace out.
We did that.